Hi there, this is Miguel Torres from TIBCO Software. I'm gonna show you how to quickly install Dovetail CLI. CLI is a command line interface that will allow you to generate smart contracts from a model that's being modeled using Dovetail Studio, which is the web UI that we have. So the first thing you want to do is to start by looking at our documentation page, which is tibcosoftware.github.io/Dovetail. In there, you have a bunch of information. For the CLI, you want to do getting started and click on the Dovetail CLI. This is a very quick process. The only dependency that you will have is Golang and Git. So in order to check whether you have that installed, you might want to do Go version. The minimum version, it's 1.11. The reason for that is because we are using the VGO and the Go modules that are included in 1.11. So that's one, and the other one is Git, that any recent Git version will do. So in order to do that, let's go to a folder, Dovetail, and that is clean. Okay, start from a clean folder, and the only thing we need to do after we have those two dependencies, Go 1.11 and Git, we just click here to copy it to keyboard and paste it, and that should do everything that you need to do. What's happening behind the scenes is we're downloading this file into your computer, and then we're sourcing that file, and that's creating all the folders here and all the dependencies and everything. Right now it's a little bit cumbersome, but we're working to simplify that shell script in order to remove dependencies and everything. But that should really be everything that you need. One thing to be aware of is this script is setting up your Go path and all the dependencies that you need. Let's say you change a different tab or anything, you will lose that environment, and that is going to be set for you during that script. So what you would have to do is to reset your Go path into your Dovetail CLI folder that we will see in a minute that this script has generated. So if we wait for this to finish, we can have a look from a different tab. We go to the same folder, software, Dovetail, and this is what's happening. So this is the installation file that is being downloaded during this, and this is the folder that script is generating. And also, if we see the environment here, we don't have a Go path anywhere. This is the environment. We don't have anything there, but this one will create one for us. So what's happening now is this script is doing the Go install. So it's doing the Go module installation. That's what we need, Go 1.11. And it's doing some other stuff. It's downloading, it's cloning some of the dependencies that we need, and it's adding the right version for them. And it should be finished in a few seconds. So we need installation, we need Flogolib, which is our runtime for Golang. And then we need Dovetail contrib, which are the contributions for smart contracts in Dovetail. And we also need Flogo contrib. So it's almost done. Just finishing the cloning for Dovetail contrib. And now it's cloning Fabric. We also have dependency on Hyperledger Fabric, and that should be it. When we finish, the script will take us to gopath/bin. The reason for that is because we will have Dovetail in there. So this environment is set to go. We will have gopath, as you see, set up in our current folder here, whatever it's being created. And then what we can do is to query Dovetail in here, and it will tell us the available commands, which is contract, help, and version. If we want to have a help of a command, we can do Dovetail, contract, help, and then it will tell us what are the flags, what are the available commands, etc. So that's it for now, and thank you very much.